guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a really quick and easy fidget toy. The only things you're going to be needing is any type of beads and a plastic bag, and some tape and some scissors. So you can pick out whatever beads you want, and you can have as many as you like. I'm gonna have this much, and then you're gonna cut your plastic bag. Sorry for the noise in the background. And then you'll have something like this. So the parts that aren't sealed up, like this side and this side, you're gonna tape those up once you're done putting the beads inside. So I'm just gonna put mine in like this, just like that. And then get your tape and tape up the side. Just like that. And then we're gonna tape this open side. Just like that, and then you can cut any excess tape off, just like that. And I feel like mine isn't secure enough on the top, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more tape, like this. And then now you're done, and you have this little thing. So I don't really recommend this one for school just because it's loud because of the bag, but you could also add more beads than I did. So yeah, I hope this helped, and if you do make this, please give me the credits. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.